All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm on a test drive in a 2014 Focus. This is just to touch base more on the manufacturers trying to fight the right to repair. You can't keep enough skilled, qualified mechanics in your bays to take care of the cars and current workflow that you have now, nor do you want to pay them a better wage and educate them and teach them for the ones who want to better themselves. What are you going to do with more vehicles that, one, you don't have anyone to fix and repair them, two, you don't have enough people to service what you have, and then three, add on that if this was ever to come to surface, which it will not, you will never be able to take care of the customers. You can't satisfy recalls and warranties now as it is, along with regular general repair and issues and at all dealership levels. Throw in thousands of more vehicles that you can't fix right away for somebody. Yep, back order, discontinued. We don't have anyone to fix it. We're waiting for a tech guy. All the excuses. We don't have a mechanic. We're booked up for 3 months. It sounds like to me that they want people to when people come in for service, to just go buy another car because they can't repair it in a timely manner. I mean, it just doesn't make any sense. You're struggling now with mechanics and technology and the skills and abilities in the base, and even the engineering lack of quality up top, and you want more work? Let's put that cigarette out. Let's erase that. You guys can never do it. You can't, and you won't. Well, you ever see that corner garage that's in your neighborhood, and he takes on more work than he can, his eyes are bigger than his appetite? We all have one in our neighborhood. I have one in my neighborhood, and I'm sure you do too. It looks like a junkyard of cars, a sea of shit that's not fixed. And what, you're gonna wait a year for an oil change, a year for an tire rotation and balance, a year for warranty work and comeback work? Not gonna happen. Guys are like that who are in those cars, I can only imagine the complaints that they hear. Thanks for watching.